Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng video for you guys ng mga paborito kong hair products. Ito talaga yung mga top ko yung hindi ko maalis sa buhay ko. Merong bago, merong luma. But, to sum it all up, ito yung mga top favorite hair products ko. So, iba-iba to guys. My conditioner, my hot oil, my hair products. Almost lahat. Okay, so yeah, so basically that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. First off, let's start with my favorite conditioner. Sa aking favorite conditioner, it will be the Tresemme Keratin Smooth, guys. Sa lahat, almost lahat na ng supermarket ngayon, mabibili nyo siya. It comes in a big tube and it comes with a small tube. Medyo expensive lang siya compared to other conditioner, pero konting difference like mga 10 pesos, 20 pesos difference. So, ito na lang ang bilhin nyo, guys. Super proven. As you know, I have a very coarse hair and also rebonded hair ako. Very treated na yung buhok ko. Kulay, rebond, lahat na. All that bad stuff nasa buhok ko na. And so far, ito ang pinaka-favorite kong conditioner kasi talagang yung pakiramdam niya iba It's very light, very smooth, very bouncy yung buhok. Ibang-iba siya from all the conditioners that I've tried and I super love it, guys. And yun lang yung difference niya. Medyo expensive siya compared to other conditioners. But, yung binibigay niya naman sa buhok nyo, talagang sobra-sobra. I super love the product. Yung shampoo, hindi masyado kasi parang nakukompare ko siya sa other shampoo. But yung conditioner talagang, it's incomparable. Wala pang nakakalagpas sa quality ng conditioner na to. So, I super love it. And, yun. Ito siya in a small box. This will cost you 194. Yung mga ganon, price range. Again, all the prices in the description box. And yung kanyang full details will be in the description box as well. So, this is my top conditioner of all time. I super love it. And, yun nga. Wala pa ako nakikitang conditioner na nakakaangat sa kanya. So, in this 2016, this is my #1 conditioner. And yes, katulad ng sabi ko sa inyo guys kanina, nagre-rebond ako ng buhok. Hindi lang ako nagre-rebond ng buhok guys. Nagdi-DIY din ako ng aking hair rebonding. At ang aking favorite na rebonding set is this Aglo Professional. Okay, just a disclaimer again, this is not the best hair rebonding set there is. Pero kung kayo ang tipo ng tao na kayo ang nagre-rebond sa sarili nyo, this is the best option for you. Nakapag-try na ako ng Matrix, nakapag-try na ako ng L'Oreal. These are expensive one, guys. And for a DIYer, tama ba? Yung para sa akin, kung ikaw ay tipo ng tao na talagang ikaw ang gumagawa sa sarili mo, those product will not be at its best kung ikaw lang mag-isa. Unless there's someone that will do it for you, it's good. Pero kung ikaw lang mag-isa at talagang struggle is real, hashtag, ito ang best option for you. This I super love. I've been using this. I've been rebonding myself for almost ilang years na ba? 5 years? 6 years yata? And ito lang ang ginagamit ko. Throughout those 6 years, ito lang ang ginagamit ko. I haven't, nakapag-try na ako ng iba, but it didn't work for me. I always return to this one kasi talagang it gives me a good quality of hair. Though, medyo yung dulo niya, yun nga, magkakaroon kayo ng a little coarseness and dryness and ang tawag dito, split ends, but you can always cut it off. Aside from that, wala ako naging problema nitong product na to. Again, the best use of this will be basahin nyo yung instruction. And also, I have a video on that. I will link that to the description box. All the details, all the processes will be there in that video. So, go ahead and check it out. So, this is my top hair rebonding set ever, especially for those DIYers. I truly recommend this and yun lang. For hot oil naman guys, I think nasabi ko na ito sa inyo pero hindi pa ako nakakakita ng best hot oil there is. And pero currently talagang may kinahuhumalingan ako and every weekly talagang ginagawa ko siya because I truly love the product and it's the Hortaleza Keratin Hot Oil guys. Ito siya. Yan. This I truly love for hair. Weekly basis, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. It's really smooth. It will maintain the smoothness throughout the week. Talagang, so far, ito yung produkto na nagamit ko na talagang medyo tumatagal. Kasi, ang problema ko sa hot oil, kaya wala akong nakikitang magandang hot oil para sa akin. It's because, medyo andag dito, hindi sila nagtatagal sa buhok ko. Kunyari ngayon, nag-hot oil ako. Ngayon, ang ganda-ganda niya. Kinabukasan or after 2 days na nag-wash na ako, or every other day kasi ako nag-wash ng hair eh. So, a day after that, wala na. As in, wala nang epekto yung hot oil. But this one, kaya gusto ko siya kasi talagang it will be smooth throughout the week. And also, partneran nyo pa nitong Tresemme. Ano pa ba ang hihiligin nyo? Best use to for a weekly basis. Once a week is okay. Do not use it every day kasi it will absolutely give you dandruff. So, yun lang ang hindi naman actually downside kasi hot oil talaga is recommended for a weekly use. Hindi siya everyday use. Okay? So, this is a big thumbs up. And this is very affordable, guys. This will only cost you 200, less than 200 pesos, and you will get 500 grams already. And, kaya lang, ano siya, tama lang yung amoy. Florally, para siyang sampagita yung amoy. Ganun yung amoy niya. And I super love this. I think, mga isang buwan ko pa lang ito nagagamit. And, nawala sa isip ko lahat ng hot oil na ginagamit ko. So, a big thumbs up. The next one in my favorites is actually wala ako. Hindi ko siya makita. Actually, meron ako. Hindi ko siya makita sa aking vanity. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Baka kinuha ni Sheena. Sheena, ibalik mo na. Charot. Anyway, ang aking next favorite is the Aglo Keratin Spray. Ito guys, ginagamit to when you're going out. Okay, for example, di ba sa mukha natin, when we're going out at medyo matatagalan tayo sa arawan, we put sunblock or sunscreen in our face just to protect our skin from the harmful rays of sun. Okay? From UVA and UVB. Okay, sa buhok, ito ang paborito ko. Every time I go out, for example, talagang mag-excursion kami, maglalakad kami sa arawan, kahit nakapayog pa, this is the best product to use. The A-Serum from Aglo, the Keratin Spray, is the best option there is. If you're someone na laging nasa arawan, ito ang best sunscreen for you. It will absolutely protect you from the sun. So if you're someone that always on the go or lagi kayo nasa arawan, this is the best product to use. After conditioner guys, pag nagpapatuyo na kayo ng buhok or kahit hindi patuyo yung buhok nyo, before kayo lumabas, even if your hair is damp, spray this all over your hair and spread it again also all over your hair, and then you're good to go. Absolutely, kasi ang araw guys, nakakaano rin yan, damage siya ng buhok, as in, para siyang plancha, nakakadamage ng buhok. Again, also, you can use this product before kayo magplansya ng buhok. It will protect you from the plancha you're using or your blow dry or sa araw. Basically, yan tatlong yan nakakadry yan ng buhok at nakakasira ng buhok. And this, the A-Serum or the Keratin Spray from Aglo is the best option for you. You can only buy that, I think, sa Hortaleza or sa HBC. Ito na lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Charot. Anyway, so that's the product. Hindi ko lang alam kung nasan yung akin. It's somewhere around my vanity. I don't know where, pero it's there. The last one in my favorite hair products is the Ellipse Hair Vitamins. Guys, Ellipse Hair Vitamins have changed my life. If you haven't tried it, saan ba kayo nakatira? Sa cave? No, charot. Anyway, ito is a game changer for me, guys. I think I've been using this for around 2 years na yan sa aking buhok. Fully changed how my hair looks, guys. It's an oil base. Ito siya. This is an example. Every other day, gumagamit ako ng kalahating cube nito. Ito siya. Kalahating capsule sa entire buhok ko. Mahaba ang buhok ko, mga hanggang dito. And half lang nung capsule, okay na for that long. And then, eto guys, it's an oil base. Pero, it will not, hindi siya malagkit. Hindi nyo mararamdaman na may oil kayo sa buhok. It gives you smooth. Oh my gosh. A game changer, guys. It's very affordable. This is only 49 pesos in a pack of 6. This one that I'm trying right now is the Nutri-Color. Gusto ko rin siya. Talagang it booms up the color of my hair, even though wala naman masyado akong kulay. Pero parang nagpa-pump up siya ng buhok. Ganun siya. It gives you extra sa buhok. Ang pinaka-favorite ko, guys, among them is the gold one. Actually, lahat naman sila maganda sa buhok, okay? Kaya lang, ang pinaka-paborito ko is yung gold one. Kasi iba-iba sila. Marami sila. They have some, ito, katulad nito, this one is for those who have hair color. That one is for more on the damaged side. Meron sila for if you wanted to have a bouncy, smooth. But overall, guys, lahat ng line ng kanilang hair vitamins is thebomb.com. I truly love them. I truly recommend you guys to try it out and absolutely hindi na kayo titigil kasi bibigyan niya talaga kayong magandang buhok, guys. As in, to the highest level, magandang buhok. Itong mga products na diniscuss ko sa inyo, guys, is truly a game changer. I truly love them. I cannot live without them kasi sobrang ganda nila sa buhok. That's it for this top favorite hair products of yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, all the products that I included in this video will be in the description box, including their prices and kung saan nyo sila mabibili. And what else? Basically, guys, that's it for this video. If you have more requests or suggestion for the next video, comment lang kayo sa ating comment bars. And what else? If you love this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button here. Subscribe na kayo sa akin, okay? If you haven't. Para ma-update kayo every time I upload a video. And I will truly appreciate it. I promise. I love you. And basically, guys, that's it for this video. Also, before I end this video, my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter will be linked in the description box as well. So go ahead and check me out. And let's be friends there. And what else? Basically, guys, that's it. Thank you. Eto na talaga to. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye! Wait. Bye! I'll see you soon. Courtesy of this product, itong buho ko. So, wala! So, I truly love them. Sige, daan mo na yung mga iingay.